In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to play PSP games on Android. The first thing you want to do is to create a folder in your Android files. I created one in my downloads folder, and you want to name it something like PSP. Inside of this folder, you want to place the ISO files of whichever games you want to play. To get these ISO files, you can extract them from CDs of PSP games which you already own. And once you have your ISO files ready, the next thing that you want to do is to download the PSP emulator. The most popular PSP emulator out there is called PPSSPP. It's a very popular emulator and it's also free to use, and it also works for most of the games that you're going to be playing, so I would recommend using it. So just search for PPSSPP on the Google Play Store and make sure that you install it. Once it's finished installing, launch the emulator. It's going to automatically put your phone or tablet into landscape mode. They're going to ask you for permission to access files on your device. Select allow here. You should now see the homepage for PPSSPP. What you want to do here is go to the directory where you placed the ISO files in the first tab. I just placed them in my downloads folder and then the PSP folder. And over here, you're going to find the games associated to the ISO files in the directory. To launch a game, all you want to do is just click on it, and as you can see, your game is going to launch. You have all of the controls on your screen.
Hey, so there he is, huh?
Hey.
Now, one more thing that I want to show you before ending the video is how to save your game. To save your game, you just want to scroll down from the top of your screen and click on the back button. And over here, you have 5 different save slots. So just select one of the empty save slots and the game is going to automatically save from that state. So guys, I really hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe as well for more content like this. If you had any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll try my best to help you out, and I'll see you all next time.